Implementing an ERP system helps reduce operating costs, increases productivity and improves process integration. The system helps you run and control your business to earn growth and profitability for your organization. Every company needs a modern ERP software. There is no denying that the implementation costs is an important factor in going forward. By understanding ROI from ERP implementation, we can determine how the operational savings outweighs the deployment cost of the software. ERP projects can bring you maximum ROI in following ways. An ERP system automates business operations. It eliminates manual intervention in performing repetitive and tedious tasks, thus saving employees valuable time and allowing them to focus on business areas that need improvements. So ERP software will help you to utilize your workforce more efficiently and increase their overall productivity levels. Agile decision making. ERP brings together every piece of data captured across various processes them to generate analytics that aid in decisions making. Maximize your productivity and growth with proper utilization of resources. Greater visibility. Get greater visibility across all operations. You will always be up to date about the upcoming issues arising in business and can be quickly averted to minimize their impact. Transparency in operations help in better planning, analyzing plan versus actual results, helping in growing business to stay ahead of competitors. This seamless information sharing capability increases reliability and improves the quality of communication between teams. Cost-efficient operations. What gets measured, gets improved. ERP workflows helps in regular monitoring by measuring number, as well as time for performing transactions and tasks. It empowers you to reduce their operating cost by the detailed understanding of how each process functions, leading to more cost-efficient business. Happier customers. As customer satisfaction is the key to business success, it is essential to systematically introduce customer inputs as standard practice. ERP system would equip you with all necessary tools or checklists to help you attain a better understanding of your customer requirements, address issues, and maintain a long-lasting relationship with them. Reporting and business intelligence. Appropriately analyzing and interpreting business data is a clear value realization, helping leverage information available in systems. The inbuilt analytical tools for generating reports helps in areas like optimum inventory levels, reduced purchasing costs based on purchase history and trends, maximizing days payable with creditors management and aging, minimizing days receivable with proper debtors management and outstanding. Integrated workflows. By integrating your core business functions into a one, enterprise-wide system, you can streamline every process. Having a single system-driven workflow helps in coordinating information from different departments and ensure everyone gets necessary information without adding more resources. Thanks for watching. For any queries, contact us.